Hello, 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 fart faces. This is Bev, aka Bev B Diamond Paints. Today I'm on my floor, which is very messy. Just ignore the background, please. And today we're going to be unboxing the second box from Mary's Diamonds. Yes, look at this, Mary's Diamonds. Is that that's a new logo too. I didn't notice that in the other unboxing. I believe that's a new logo because before I think it was just floral, but there's actually diamonds, like crystals in it, and a girl hiding behind it. Kind of creepy, but very cute. Cool. So this is the second unboxing. I'll leave a link to the previous unboxing, or the first one that I did, and you can see how this was mailed to me. So let's go ahead and open this up. I don't know why I started cutting there, but this was crushed a little bit in shipping, but as you may know, Mary's Diamonds is poured glue, so I don't think that the crushing affected the canvas in any way, but let's take a look. Mary's Diamonds does sell licensed artwork, which is important. The artists are getting paid for their work. I have no idea which this one is. I placed this order a while ago. I will put up the information on the screen here right now. So let's take a look. Okay, this comes nicely packaged. There was that bow. Here is the packaging. It comes in plastic. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm hiding the canvas because I want to look at other stuff first. So here we have our drills. Again, okay, so these drills look different, come in different packaging than the previous drills. They actually have a stripe on them, which is interesting. But, okay, we'll talk about the drills after. Here's the kit that you get. Pen, squishy, really pointy tweezers. The pen has a 4-placer attached to it, and I think that might be a 10-placer. I can't say for sure. There's the tray, and there's your plate of diamond painting wax. Really easy, simple kit. Take a look at this canvas. It looks, okay, so this is kind of like my issue. This feels like a little baby canvas, even though I know it's not a baby canvas. But because I just unboxed the bigger canvas earlier, I'm like, this is so small. But no, this is still a really good size. This measures, let's see, 40 by 60 centimeters. Here's the thumbnail. Little mermaid lady, fish lady, and it's 29 colors. So let's bring you up so you can see the entire canvas. Oops. Wow, it's really pretty. I'm impressed. Okay, so at the bottom, share your magic with the world. Don't forget to tag us. And then there's like the satisfaction, customer service blurb. And then at the bottom of the canvas and the top of the canvas, it says Mary's Diamonds. On the side of the canvas, it says bring the magic in your life. Wow, it's beautiful. I'll put the information of this canvas right here on the screen. Okay, so we have our schematic at the top left and the bottom right. You can take a look at that. So symbols, letters. I like this, yeah. There's no weird symbols, and there's no like weird letters. There's no weird symbols, and the canvas looks really clear from like far away. Like I'm looking right behind the camera, so it looks clear from far away, but let's take a closer up look and look at her face. Here's her face. You can see the symbols. Nothing confusing that I can see right now. There's a fish. Wow. I am definitely going to do one of these after I'm done my chuck-along after March. Maybe I'll do this one in April. Wow. Yeah, the canvas looks really clear. I don't see any issues. Look at this fishy. Okay, so that's the canvas. It is poured glue. It's sticky. I mean, I guess, like, would I expect it not to be sticky? The canvas is, it's soft, it's thinner, it has scalloped edges here. I really like this canvas, and I don't know who I'd compare it to, though, if I had to compare it to another manufacturer. But it is really nice. It is soft. It's not like those thicker, it's not like a Diamond Art Club where it's like super thick or anything like that, but it is a nice feeling canvas. Okay, drills. Last time I opened up my first Mary's Diamond unboxing video, I found AB drills. I don't know if this one has any AB drills. Suzu! Look who's here. Hello, say hello. Say hello to the fart butts out there. Hello. Hello, cat. What are we unboxing? Mary's Diamonds? Are you gonna join me? Well, let's take a look at the drills. If I can find the opening to this bag. Here it is. He's like, no, bye. Thought he was gonna join me. So here are the drills. The one thing that is a pet peeve of mine, and I said it in the last video, is that they're not connected. So 3843. So see how like these should, like when you're kitting up, oh, these are square. I ordered square? I should have mentioned that. So that's a square cat. This is first a square diamond painting. Sorry, I should have mentioned that earlier. I didn't realize that this was the square one. I ordered 3 canvases. One of them was a square because I wanted to try their squares. So maybe this is why the drills look different than the other one. Like they have this red band across them. It does have the DMC code. And it also, let's see what number 12 is. Okay, so that's kind of weird. Because some of them have the red band. And some do not have the red band. Okay, and also, okay, so let's see, 12 is 699 on the canvas, and the symbol is E, so let me show you so you can actually see 699. But this says 12, and this says 3843. So 3843, 3843. So this is 3843. I believe this is correct because the color, you can just see it. So I'm assuming you would go by the DMC code and not the number on the package, because not, as I said, not all the packages have that number, like how that one had that red stripe with 12 on it. That's kind of weird. And then, what is this 5 for? 699. Weird. Okay. I don't understand. All you have to do basically is look at the DMC code. Okay? So when you're kitting up these, look at the DMC code. Ignore any other number you see on this because it's going to be wrong. So just look at this number. Okay? Okay. That sounds like your rally. Okay? Okay. But okay. Yeah. So look at the DMC code. Also, what? It's weird because some of them come in little baggies. So that's really weird and inconsistent. Why do these colors come in baggies while these ones are packaged like this and these are packaged like this? So, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about these drills. Why are they packaged differently? Did they come from different manufacturers? They come from different kits? There's no inventory sheet, so you won't be able to do inventory, but you can just lay them all out and make sure that you have the same color. Let's see. From first glance, let's look at these gray drills. From first glance, they look like they are all uniform in size. I'm not seeing any tabs or trash. So I will have to do this diamond painting in order to see the quality of the drills, like the true quality. But ooh, this purple is really pretty. But like just from looking at the drills up close, I don't see any issues with them. But so those are the drills. I'm not going to take them out of the bag, but you can see pretty much like the different colors. Like there's this really pretty yellow color, which I'm assuming would be for the fish. Maybe. Editing Beverly here. Just popping in to say that I did lay down some drills. I did 1/4, I believe, of the canvas, just the bottom part. And look at this little cute fish. So while I was pet peeved about the drills and like kind of confused on why they came in different types of bags and things like that, what I can say is the drills are really great quality. Like there were no popping drills. I didn't have any issues with trash or different sizes or anything like that. So I would have to say, like, even though the drills were really pet peevy that they came in those different bags, they turned out really well. So I have it all kitted up here. And it's just like my project that I'm working on before the chuck along, so I'm gonna have to put this away tomorrow. Today is Sunday, and work on my chuck pinson. But this is really nice, and I really like it. The drills coming in different size, different bags is a pet peeve, but they are really good quality. Okay, editing Beverly out. Back to the video. So this is my second unboxing of Mary's Diamonds. I will have a link to their website below. They do have 15, as I'm filming this, their website says they have 14 plus 15 plus new artists coming to their website with different canvases, so that's exciting. Another licensed art place we can order from. And yeah, that's Mary's Diamonds. What are your guys' thoughts on this canvas? Will you buy Mary's Diamonds? Does this bother you? How the drills are packaged? Let me know all your feelings and thoughts in the comments below. If you're new here, I would love to have you as part of my hive. I upload diamond painting videos on a weekly basis. You just have to hit subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!